Hello and welcome to the German Spearfishing channel. Today I want to explain you how I use my electricity in the Land Cruiser camping van. For charging of this solar generator made by Jackery, 2000 watts capacity, I use this solar Saga 100 panel, which can put out 100 watts when it's in full sun, and I leave it on the car when I'm like go to the beach or go to the woods to charge the solar generator. For the use, I have this rubber mattress that it doesn't scratches my roof, and that it don't get stolen. I made this metal rubber coated string, which is going with the cable into the car. So this is like provisory at the moment, but you can enhance it up to 5 meters. And here it's running into this Jackery box, so even the solar panel is in full shadow, it generates 5 watts of energy. As I said, when it's in full sun, it frequently generates up to 100 watts, which is enough to run the cool box over there, which is a MFC 45 with 38 liters of capacity. So on the back side I have a normal cigarette 100 watt car generator, which is running when the car is running. So every time I am starting the car, the box is charging. So for cooling I use this compressor cooling box, which can store a lot, 38 liter. As I said, I took some extra cooling pads in down there, and it is able to cool down up to -10 degrees, which is super important for long-term fishing. So I put all the fresh fish inside there to cool it down and freeze it all through. And all together with the solar panel and the box, you can run autarkic for around 1 week in cold areas, because then the box isn't taking that much energy, and in warm areas around 4 days. I'm still at the testing. So the solar generator Jackery Explorer 2000 can produce 2200 watts maximum at 230 volts. You have 2 plugs here, one here. You have USB-C for charging your iPad or whatever, and you have normal USB, and also a cigarette plug, which is running the cool box, which is super important when you're running a cooling box, that you take the cigarette plug, not the normal plug like this, because the box is converting the energy from the lithium battery into 230, which is costing energy, and then the cooling box is transforming again the 230 watts down to, I don't know, like 18, which is from the cigarette plug. So if you want to save a lot of energy, always use the cigarette plug, not the normal energy plug. As you can see, at the moment I'm in a building up of the car, because we're going on holidays soon and everything has to be perfect. So guys, if you have any questions due to compressor cooling box and solar Saga and Jackery Explorer box and the combination and the energy system, just write it in the comments below. If you like this video, as always, Please give me a thumbs up, follow up my channel like every time. Thank you and goodbye.